Many students and youths were among the music workshop to learn from Samoan music artists down to please all the way from Australia. The music workshop is an opportunity for Samoan and Pacific music artists to give back and share their expertise and passion for making music.
We support artists, that's our first incentive as a radio station, and to connect them with up-and-coming artists and to connect them with the local communities. So it was really key for us and important when we brought over DTP from Australia to connect them with the future of Samoa. DTP are Samoan artists based in Australia. So we have teamed up with the Australian High Commission and a few other partners, and Brown Girl Woke for this project in particular, so that we can make sure the best local talent get to learn from those international artists.
Doris of Brown Girl Woke said the music workshop is an opportunity to engage and inspire the youth of Samoa to reach for their goals.
Brown Girl Woke is an organization that does after-school program for primary, college, and university. What we do at the university is always try to make a space there that we can mentor, learn, and train. And the way that we've been doing it is using groups that come from overseas that have special talents that can train our university students and then use them to go into the schools so we could still make sure that it's sustained and developed. And we have amazing people that always come in from overseas. A lot of our kids won't have that chance to go overseas. So let's be smart about things and make sure that people that come here, don't let them only do vacation. If they're artists, if they're musicians, if they're dancers, spend some time and give back to the local kids of Samoa.
Doris also said the music workshop is a great way to give the students and youth a space to be able to express themselves in doing something productive and positive.
And I've been to a lot of different organizations and I've listened to the kids say, there's nothing else to do. What is there to do? And if you don't have no spaces for them to at least, work on their talent or their passion, if it's only for rugby and that's it, what about other stuff, especially for women? We get a lot of organizations that come to do stuff for women, as in doing projects on, LA and stuff like that. That's amazing. But we have these young kids that they're going out to universities and coming back. Let's do stuff that has to do with them moving up, like with music or dance, bring it back. We're losing even traditional Samoan dancing here as well. So yeah, I think making spaces for them, that things that they like and they want, then we could take away from them going to do things that are bad, going to violence, going to drugs, if we can have a safe space for them.
Down to Please were able to give some ideas to the participants and also share in on songwriting and mixing their own music. Damian Tuala says giving back to the youth of Samoa means so much to him.
It's been such a surreal experience. Within the last couple of days, we've not only seen the beautiful talent here in Samoa, but as well as the hard-working students, whether they be locals, people still in school, people from university. I mean, they're all just so talented, They have the urge and the will to succeed. So that's all you need in the music industry. Sometimes it's not about, the contacts you have or the people you know. It's about what you can bring to the table.
The group Down to Please will be performing at Taumesina tonight, and the crew hopes to continue and support efforts in developing more music making in the country. Aisha Hutch for Telephone.